There's been some interest in leather conditioner. First, it's good to start with some type of a metal container that you can bend and put a lip on. And these are just remnants from the previous project. No reason to waste it. It's so little, it's not going to affect anything that goes on here today. So we're going to put that on the scale and turn it on and let it zero out. There's just 100% beeswax. I'm going to put 4 ounces in. 3.8. A little bit too much. There we go. 4 ounces. Next, I'm going to take some coconut oil. It's just Amazon Basics coconut oil. And you can see the nutrition information there. So everything I'm putting in here is going to be food safe. We want 4 ounces of coconut oil. $7.9. There we go. And then just rub in the excess that's on your hands. It's good for your skin. Then we're going to try a new addition. Olive oil. 1 ounce. Next step is to heat this up in the toaster oven. I'm going to set the toaster oven on as low as it goes, which this one is about 350 degrees. So we're on bake for 350 degrees. I'll get back with you in a few minutes when this starts to melt. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, everything is melted. You can pour it into the mold. We'll just let it sit until it dries. Here's what the stuff looks like after it hardens, and all you do is pop them right out. If I could do it one-handed. Just a silicone muffin tin. So reusable. And all these extra little scraps, you just put back in your pan for the next time. They do make different sizes of these. You can go for bigger ones, but I like the small size. This is just about right.